I know we talked a little bit off camera already, but what are we doing today?
You know, rear main seal change, and oil pan gasket as well.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about your car.
You got some headers in it, cam.
Oh, what is it? What this is? I don't know what this is.
06 vet, 6-speed auto.
Okay.
Yeah. You get loose.
You get loose?
You get loose.
Yeah, a little fun. Nice little daily.
Nice little daily.
What car do you have before this?
2017 Camaro SS 6 gen.
Okay.
Past the 6 gen out here.
Yeah, stamp it.
Yeah.
Coming from a 6 gen Camaro to
LS.
What's the difference? Pros versus cons.
LS makes more power than LT.
Oh wow.
But the LT transmissions are better though. Yeah. More gear.
How long have you had it?
Almost 2 months.
2 months? Yeah. You like it? Interior, stuff like that?
It's good for the year. It's an old car, so you can't expect much from it.
Yeah, headers?
What's up?
Yeah, headers?
Yeah.
What else is that to it?
Miscellaneous shit. Got a little cam in it.
It's cam?
Yeah. Is it actually? Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, this shit was stock.
No.
It's an 05?
06.
06?
6-speed auto.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I thought it was 2005.
I wish it was a manual. Automatics are faster.
I mean, like for 6-speed versus 6-speed, yeah.
It comes down to the driver.
Yeah, but once you start getting to like 8 speeds and 10 speed, it's more who can stay on the power band longer. And you got more gears, obviously you're gonna do that. This is definitely faster than that.
This shit, I like boiler. Cover out the high ram on this bitch.
Yeah. Somebody gotta do it. Ain't nobody did it yet. Right here. So, what are you working on right now?
So right now, I gotta undo these headers. God damn. So that, because whoever had owned the car previously, they decided to weld pretty much all of the exhaust back to the mufflers in weird spots. So we gotta take these down in order to get it all off. And from there, once we remove the exhaust, we're gonna unbolt the transmission mounts, start unbolting the bell housing from the torque tube that goes back to the differential. And then once we get all that done, we're gonna drop it. Might have to drop the rear subframe in order to get to the rear main seal. And then while all that's down, we're also gonna drop the oil pan so we can change that gasket out while we're there.
Pro Charger coming soon.
Pro Charger?
Pro Charger coming soon.
You want A&A or Pro Charger kit?
A&A.
And what's that like?
So y'all just maintenance fix and shit? Pro Charger.
Yeah.
I want at least like, just like. It's light as fuck, so it don't need that much power.
You'll probably be one of the fastest cars out here with 600.
Try to get like right for that.
Once I get my shit up to like at least 400, I'm cooking you.
RX-7, that shit light as fuck.
You got an RX-7?
I got an RX-7, I got an RSX Type S, and I have a Honda ACTY.
There it is.
I ain't never seen that shit. That shit's crazy.
Right-hand drive from Tokyo. 5-speed manual. It's fun, man. It's good on gas.
Oh yeah. Fucking Z06, big cam, head, 427. That shit is not good. Well, actually, on the highway, it's not bad. I can make 30 on the highway.
Yeah, highway monster shit good. Fucking
Yeah.
30 on the highway, really?
Yeah. Like gearing and then the aerodynamics.
That shit cruise control. Goes down the highway.
What cars have you worked on before? What gave you the confidence to be like, I can do this shit?
So I mainly work on JDM, but you know, an engine's an engine.
Hell yeah. A bolt to bolt?
Bolt to bolt, yep. 10 millimeters to 10 millimeters. So it ain't nothing too crazy, and I ain't stupid, so it's not that hard. But I've done all my own work on my RX-7, my Acura, and my Honda. I've worked on Scions before. Before the Army, I was working at a shop, so I've seen a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Okay. Car in the air. You need to take that sensor out first or no?
What's up?
You need to take that sensor out first or no?
I'm gonna take it out when I lower it a little bit. Because I'm gonna unplug it from the top because it's like, it's not
okay.
rusted on, but it's fucking in there. See if I can just get this shit down. If I can.
So cool already. How long do you guys let it sit?
I say like an hour.
Oh yeah.
Start pulling it.
Oh yeah, that was ready to come out.
Start lifting it.
Yeah.
Is that oil catch can in the way?
A little bit.
Oh, I'm gonna push it back in and see if we can bring it over that.
Yeah.
Okay. See if you can get it over. I don't know if I want to drop it, if the best way is to drop it or to bring it up. Because of that fucking rack.
You mean like once it's disconnected or?
No, so like, you see if you come right here, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but all of this is open. Where the header was sitting.
Yeah.
And it's the same on this side, except he's got the steering rod, the steering rack coming right into his fucking front axle right here.
Yeah.
And it's in the way of the, just right of the bump of the header. So that's what's fucking me right now.
There's a lot of movement on this joint. Like, a little bit down past your left hand.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I was trying to unhook it, but I'm gonna see if it'll come from right here because now that's starting to spin.
You want the mallet?
Let's see. It's either spinning or I'm fucking tripping. It is. All right. It is very. Let me get. Not what I can do. I'm gonna tighten this one up.
Yeah.
I'm just like this one all the way back as far as it'll go. Tighten the shit out of that one, and that way this will just fucking follow.
Yeah. Loosening all the clamps, like it makes the entire exhaust system slide whenever you get any type of.
Yeah. The way it's set up is so fucking weird, bro. It's all in like little sections, real fucking long sections. Oh, there you go.